Well, hello, Nicole. Welcome back to Buckeye Readers Chat. It's been a while.
It has been.
And the holidays are coming.
Yes, they are.
It's time to snuggle up, read a good book,
and snack on some good food.
That's right.
Yeah.
I am ready for it.
Yes.
So you're reading a good book?
I am, yeah.
Does it make you want to snack while you're reading?
It does. There's a lot of thinking to this story, and I don't have time to think about the food because I'm thinking about my story. So I need something that I can just snack on and not think about, something easy to grab.
You know, the holidays, I love to make Chex Mix. And I make it from scratch. Well, not scratch, but, you know, I buy the Chex Mix and the nuts and the different stuff and mix it all together. And, I even make it vegan for my vegan son.
Oh, very nice. How do you make it vegan?
Well, basically, I use margarine instead of butter.
Oh, okay.
And I have to buy the special Worcestershire sauce. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly.
It's okay, I wouldn't get it right either.
It doesn't have little anchovies in it.
Oh.
So you just have to look for it.
Oh, okay.
And it's there.
Okay.
And so it's delicious.
Very nice. And you do that in the oven, right? Like you put it all together and you warm it in the oven?
I mix it all up and put it in the oven for 200 degrees, stir it every 15 minutes, and after an hour, it's ready to eat. I like to cool it though.
Yeah.
And, but that's one of our favorite snacks.
That's good.
How about you?
I'm big on junk food. So you know, yeah, I would say this plate is pretty representative of what I would snack on while I was reading.
That's right, chips, cookies.
Yeah, popcorn. Popcorn's a good one.
That's always good.
I mean, because when you think of popcorn, you think of being at the movies, and when you're reading a book, you're kind of like in the movies in your head.
Right.
So that's kind of where I'm at, you know.
Put a little, and this time of year is nice because we can go and put a little blanket on ourselves because it's
Yeah.
a bit chilly. Snuggle up, get our book out.
Yeah. Put the kids in front of the TV so you don't have to deal with them for a little bit.
But what if you want to have homemade snacks?
Right.
You got to plan ahead a little bit.
Yeah, you do. Yeah, and especially if you want to try and eat something a little bit healthy, especially when it's really hard to during the holiday season. But we do have a variety of superfoods here that you can snack on, and if you're looking for ways to kind of put those together, we do have a book on superfood snacks, things that are grown from the earth.
Right.
You know, plant-based. That's the word I was looking for.
I don't know if I saw it in that book or this one, but it had dates.
Oh.
Which is a really delicious snack.
Yeah, and they're
But
sweet
then
too.
They would cut them open if you want, and you could add coconut, or you could put some nuts in there.
Yeah.
And make it more of a superfood.
Yeah.
So.
Very cool. Yeah, you got to power that body while you're reading.
Oh, you got to prep. What's your other book over there?
So this one is Smashing Snacks, and this is kid-related snacks that you can make that are also scientific. So it kind of tells you the science behind the thing you're doing, like ice cream in a bag. Have you ever done that before?
I haven't.
I did do it when I was younger.
Did it work?
It did. It was pretty tasty. I don't know why I haven't tried it again, but it's pretty minimal ingredients. Let's see, whole milk, sugar, vanilla extract, freezer bag, resealable, 2 freezer bags, salt, ice cubes, and woolly gloves, probably to protect your little fingers. So, but yeah, there's some really great recipes in here that if you're just looking for something simple or you want to try and put something together for the kids or with the kids, that's definitely a way you could go.
That is good.
So what about you, Patty?
Well, this one has, it's called Dehydrating Foods.
Ooh.
And I like dried bananas, dried apricots.
Yeah.
And I've had a dehydrator, and it's just a matter of putting it in there, turning it on, and it works.
And let it go.
And it's good. You can even, of course, if you like beef jerky.
Yeah.
You'd want to marinate that first and then put it in to dehydrate.
Yeah.
But then you have some good snacks that are healthy.
Yeah, absolutely. I love dehydrated mangoes, but they're so expensive.
Are they?
Yeah, they are. But if you can dehydrate your own mangoes, then you have an infinite supply. Well, maybe not infinite, as many mangoes as you can get.
As much.
Yeah. And you'd have plenty of dehydrated. I would have plenty of dehydrated mangoes to eat while I'm reading my book, trying to think of the complex plot that's going on right now.
I'll have to suggest a dehydrator for your birthday.
Oh, that's actually not a bad idea. I do like that idea.
Christmas.
Yeah.
This other one is a vegan holiday cookbook. And I was surprised. We are not vegan, but we have some family members that are.
Yeah.
And there's some delicious foods.
Oh, that already looks good.
that I am going to try.
Yeah. Oh, confetti cake. You could have that gluten-free.
And spiced pumpkin cupcakes.
Perfect for this time of year, yeah.
You know, there's just some good stuff in here. And of course, I like vegetables and soups. My son that's vegan can cook.
Yeah.
He's a better cook than I am. But anyway, so here at the library, we have some good books.
Yeah, we do.
To share and to encourage you to check them out and have some good snacks while you're reading.
Yeah, you know what goes really good with reading and snacks?
What's that?
A warm drink.
What do you have?
I have hot cocoa because I feel like you can't really go wrong with hot cocoa and some marshmallows. What about you, Patty?
I've got some hot tea here. It's actually a combo, spicy tea with some green tea.
Yes, that's your daily drink.
Go-to,
midday coffee or midday tea and reading on lunch break drink.
Right. That's right.
Yeah, you gotta have your favorites. So.
Well, until next time.
Yeah. Enjoy your snacks. Come get a book that make your own snacks and then tell us how it went.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'd love to hear about it.
All right.
All
Cheers.
right. Yeah. Cheers.